Hey everyone, another cute hairstyling video. Have your hair, apply some wax in the middle part and comb a little bit. Then after that, the middle section of the hair, make a ponytail, and the back section split them into parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, borrow the strands of hair from each side of it, making the ridges visible. Continue doing the same until you reach the bottom part of the hair and braid as normal as you would do with the remaining part. Then braid and have the braid attached to the ponytail and braid that one as well and swirl the braid into a clockwise manner and secure it underneath the bun. Apply some hair wax onto your hair and comb a little bit and split the middle section and have it into 4 ponytails, and with a ponytail on the right side, have it go from bottom to top using a head loop, then split them into 2 tails and have a beautiful string attached in the middle, and have it stringed and have it braided in between in a thicker manner. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom part in an alternating manner, having the S shape, and after that do the same braiding on the left side and combine them both with another wrap band and have a braiding at the bottom ponytail and have it attached to the top and make a bow tie design. Apply some hair wax and comb your hair a little bit and have a ponytail at the back section of the hair, and in the middle section of the hair split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, borrow each strands of hair from the sides to make it ridges visible. Then after that, braid as normal as you would do and attach it to a ponytail and split the tail into 2 and have it braided, but pinch out the hair only on the right side to make it as a loopy design on one side. And after that, do the same braiding on another tail. Then roll the braid into a coil and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Then also roll the braid in the same manner and drop it with little hairpin as well, then dropping your favorite hair clutcher. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb your hair a little bit and have the section separated. In the back section of the hair, make a ponytail temporarily. In the middle section of the hair, make a thicker braid but have strips of hair going in between borrowed from the front section. So continue doing it until you make the ridges visible between the front and the middle section, and do as normal as you would do with the remaining part of the braid. Then after that, with the remaining section of the hair at the back, release the braid and have a braid in the top section of the hair and have it attached to the bottom section, combine together with a common ponytail and attach your favorite hair clutcher. Apply some hair wax onto your hair and comb your hair a little bit and split them into 2 parts and have ponytails with multiple hair bands onto it. Do the same on the left side and split your hair at the back into 4 sections and have ponytails on the top section and braid it, make it crisscross each other, have it attach the bottom section and braid it as well. Then after that, fold the braid to half and move it to the top. Have hair wax onto your hair and comb your hair a little bit and have top section of the hair in the middle part, have it into a ponytail and drop the tail into its own loop, making a twisted band, and split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided in a very thinner manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the wrap band. Then grab the sides of your hair right below the first one and have a ponytail out of it and attach the braid onto it. Continue doing the same until you reach the bottom part of your hair and leave the remaining hair as such. Apply some hair wax onto your hair, comb your hair a little bit and have sections split them into 2 parts on the sides and have a beautiful hair clutcher with strings or beads attached to it in the middle and braid it along with it in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom part, and after that with the back section of the hair, split them into 2 and have it braided along with the braid we already have. Then leave the remaining hair as such, but drop your favorite hair clutcher on top of it. Have your hair waxed and have top section of the middle part into 2 ponytails and have a beautiful string attached to it and braid it all the way along up to the bottom. Then do the same for the other tail as well. Then after that, once when you're done with it, hold the remaining section of the hair at the back and make a ponytail out of it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.